Welcome to Taco Hooters.
Okay.
Hey man, we need to talk about your avatar. If
I can't grab it at all.
well, you have to click on me.
No, you're literally it's not showing up.
Oh, it's because your
On my
quest.
avatar.
Your quest. That's why.
Yeah. Quest.
Here. Give me a second. I'll become quest friendly. Hold on, just real quick. I'll be nice.
I'm scared. I'm gonna take the crap.
What are you doing?
Oh shit, my rat's here. We gotta go, Scooter.
Can you see me now?
Wait, now I have to turn on. Dang.
You are so loud.
Hi.
So you can see me now.
Yeah.
I feel like me a week ago. I can't see anybody. Here, I'll turn into a
Goodbye.
quest for you. Goodbye. Oh, now I can go.
Do you have Jack Daniels?
Yes, give me alcohol.
I know how to talk from our end.
Yeah, I know. But hey, now I'm PC.
Should I get more of these? Do you like them?
They're alright. I'm gonna drink alcohol.
It's so trippy not being able to jump with the right stick anymore.
Yeah, it is. I kept trying to jump and I kept bringing up the new menu and I'm like, what in the world?
And I was trying to go to settings to see if I can change that, but I'm like,
Are you fucking chugging it? Shit.
hey, okay. Oh, there's Scooter.
I'm thirsty.
It's a Jolly Rancher. You want another one?
In a minute. Oh, that hurt my stomach. Ash,
Yep.
how old are you?
Why?
Because you need to drink with me while I'm drinking.
I don't think.
Lame.
I'm gonna take the crab.
I'm gonna steal your fucking tacos.
I'll take the
You
crab.
like those? I'll let
No,
you
no, no,
have
no, no. I'm gonna take the crab. Like,
Oh,
wait. Oh, yeah, I'm the crab.
do you,
want to see what the crab can do?
do you want to be shiny?
No, no, no. Do you want to see what the crab can do?
Go. Oh, like
Sure.
crap.
Oh. It was a crab. Don't you want a girlfriend like you? The crab's too OP. Yeah. That's no average Joe crab.
I hate to say this, but that guy's becoming annoying.
There you go. Oh, fuck. No. No, I'm half crab. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a spider crab. There you go. I want to see you.
Spider crab. Spider crab. Does whatever a spider crab does. Can you see his fucking eyes?
Oh, look.
No, you. What? What?
I'm spider. Whoa. I'm spider crab. Oh. Okay. Sorry. I am the crab.
Come here, I want to cook you for dinner.
The crab.
Give me your legs.
Yeah?
Give me your legs.
The calmest as possible. Give me your leg.
let me cook your leg up for dinner. Come back here. Where are you going? Give me your leg.
No, I'll blast you off with my...
Oh, he exploded. Now he's edible.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. I have the best skin ever.
Wow. You're a piece of shit.
Yeah. Look. Why are you doing stuff? Wait, you can see it. Yeah. Oh fuck, that's awesome!
Ash, are you on too?
That's awesome! Get away. I want your friends to try it. Hey, you try.
I was on you.
Yeah, you can sit on me.
I can't sit. Yeah, it fits two people. I was on it the whole time. Goodbye, Ash. This is very trippy. Whoa.